By the end of this lesson, the students will be able to first, define triglycerides and explain their role as a major class of lipids. Second, identify the two main structural components of triglycerides, mainly the glycerol and fatty acids. Third, differentiate between saturated and unsaturated fatty acids based on their chemical structure. Fourth, describe the process of esterification including the reactants, the glycerol and 3 fatty acids, the formation of ester bonds, and the release of water molecules. Fifth, interpret a structural diagram of a triglyceride and accurately label its parts, the glycerol, fatty acids, and the ester bonds. Sixth, explain the biological functions of triglycerides in the human body, particularly in energy storage and insulation. Seventh, answer the conceptual questions and participate in guided activities or short quizzes to demonstrate understanding. Oh, and I almost forgot. These are our references.
Hi, we are the 4Ms.
Mendoza,
Miranda,
Monte Alto.
and Mosquera. Today, we're going on a quick lipid adventure, from a recap to what lipids are, to the understanding of what triglycerides are all about. To get to our destination, we need to answer questions correctly and move through each stop.
it's going to be fast and fun, so pay close attention and enjoy the ride.
Wait, Chai, you forgot something.
What?
It's already 4 and we have to reach our final stop by 5. So we have to listen, learn, and move quickly.
Point 1. The quick recap.
First, let's start with a quick refresher. So, lipids are organic compounds that don't dissolve in water, but do in oils. They help store energy, build cell membranes, and make hormones. But there are a lot of different types of lipids. So, today, we will be focusing on triglycerides, or also known as triacylglycerols.
Quick question. What's one important function of lipids in our body?
Whoa. That was weird. I guess we have to answer correctly by then. Point 2. Triglyceride definition.
A triglyceride is made up of 1 glycerol molecule, the backbone, 3 fatty acids, or the chain. They are joined by ester bonds. This structure helps store lots of energy. Quick question. How many fatty acids are in 1 triglyceride?
Point 4. Its structural components. This thing is everywhere. Why don't we take a look at the 2 major components of this triglyceride thingy? First off is the glycerol part. It has 3 carbon atoms, each with a hydroxyl group, the OH. These OH groups are where the fatty acids will attach. So there are two types of fatty acids. The first one is the saturated fatty acids. They tend to have no double bonds and they form a straight line. Next is the unsaturated fatty acids. They contain double bonds and with that, they tend to form a bend or a kink.
Quick question. What kind of fatty acids has double bonds?
Point 3. Triglyceride formation.
So, you may ask, how does a triglyceride form? So, triglycerides form through esterification. So, wherein a glycerol reacts with 3 fatty acids and produces 3 water molecules. So, its formula is going to look like this. So, a glycerol reacts with 3 fatty acids, which yields a triglyceride and 3 water molecules. So, quick question. What is the process called when triglycerides are formed?
Our last stop, the diagram explanation.
Here's a sample diagram. As you can see, glycerol is in the middle, where 3 fatty acids are attached, and it is connected by what we call again, ester bonds. Now, as you can see, it might look like a letter E, a capital letter E. So its formation looks like a capital letter E. That's all.
Whoa! We've arrived already?
That was a really long trip. But you know what? I really seem to enjoy it. And to honor our achievements, let's recall on what happened.
So we know that a triglyceride has 1 glycerol plus 3 fatty acids. Then, they are held together by ester bonds. And it stores energy for the body.
Nope. Oh, yes.